One possible explanation is simply that the router is misconfigured. In other words, no one actually intended for the router to advertise a false route, but because of a misconfiguration, the router does so. The AS7007 attack that we discussed last time was actually the result of a configuration error. Second, a router might be compromised by an attacker. Once a router is compromised, the attacker can reconfigure the router to, for example, advertise false routes. Finally, unscrupulous ISPs might also decide to advertise routes that they should not be advertising. To launch the attack, an attacker might reconfigure the router, which is typically the most common way an attacker might launch an attack. The attacker might also tamper with software, or an attacker could actively modify a routing message. In addition to tampering with the configuration, the attacker might tamper with the management software that changes the configuration. Now, the most common attack is a route hijack attack or an attack on origin authentication.